Kohli injury has India on the edge, scan reports awaited. India captain Virat Kohli's further participation in the crucial third cricket test against Australia was thrown into jeopardy due to a shoulder injury he sustained while fielding on day 1 in Ranchi. The extent of the damage will be known only on Friday. Trying to save a boundary at deep mid-wicket in the 40th over, in the post-lunch session, Kohli landed heavily on his right shoulder on the fast and hard outfield of the Jharkhand State Cricket Association International Stadium complex. Kohli could not field more than half the day thereafter. He was treated with ice packs and was later seen shadow practicing inside the dressing room. There was a shock on his right shoulder, that's the current status. But the exact status of the injury will be known by tomorrow morning after we get the scan reports, India's fielding coach R Sridhar told reporters. We took precaution today to make sure that the injury does not aggravate, Sridhar added. In case Kohli fails to take the field on Friday, he will bat lower down the order than his usual number 4 when India. Asked whether Virat would be able to bat, Sridhar said, "We will answer that when we get the correct status. Let's cross the bridge when it comes." Such was the impact felt by Virat when he hit the ground that he had difficulty in standing up and was seen grimacing in pain, clutching his right shoulder to be rushed out of the field immediately. Indian team physio Patrick Farhart rushed onto the field and escorted the skipper off. The ground, was fast sloping and hard as well. It had all the ingredients of a fast outfield, Sridhar said. We saw in the first boundary of the day when Ranchi got past Ashwin, in the first over of Ishant Sharma. He was trying to catch up but the ball beat him to the boundary line quite easily. That sums up the outfield situation. There are some slopes in the outfield and the ball runs hard. We can't really do much about it. We have to chase the ball. You have to try and dive and cut the ball if you're anywhere close to it. Vice-captain Ajinkya Rahane took over from Kohli for the rest of the day, but he was not impressive in his approach. Rahane's subdued leadership was in stark contrast to Kohli's firebrand captaincy, but Sridhar was impressed how the India vice-captain responded to the challenge. He was taking advice from Ravichandran, Ashwin and Ishant Sharma, the seniors in the team. It was quite democratic. Ajinkya did a good job there. In Virat's absence, he kept the energy level, positioned himself in the outfield and made sure he was communicating well with the bowlers.